How to fix iPhone ear speaker not working. First, open up your settings. So I'll be showing you guys few fixes, but none of these are sure to work as the problem might be on your hardware. If that's the case, just go to the nearest, service center and get it fixed. So let's get started. First, after you're on your settings, go to accessibility. After you're on your accessibility, just scroll down till you find the hearing section. Tap on hearing devices and here just turn on hearing aid compatibility. Now this might fix your problem, but if this does not fix your problem, just go to your settings, go to your accessibility again, and after you're here, go to physical and motor section and go to touch. After you're on touch, just scroll down and there you will see call audio routing. Tap on it and then select speaker. After doing this, your problem should get fixed. Also, the other thing that you might want to keep in mind is you might have to turn off your Bluetooth because if it's turned on, you might have just connected to your speaker or your earbuds. So after doing this, your problem should get fixed. And if it does not get fixed, you can simply force restart your iPhone and then check if it works. If it does not work, there might be a problem in your hardware and you might have to get it fixed. So yeah, that is all for this video. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye. Take care.